Step into the world of Parle, where a singular mission drives decades of dedication to the healthcare sector. Since its inception in 1974 by founder Mr. Rajmal Mehta, Parle has steadfastly pursued its vision, consistently expanding and evolving. Through perceptive resource management and strategic partnerships with esteemed international pharmaceutical engineering firms, Parle has remained at the forefront of healthcare solutions for over 5 decades. Since 1993, Mr. Mahendra Mehta, alongside Mr. Rajmal Mehta, has infused Parle with fresh ideas, cutting-edge technology, and a relentless pursuit of innovation. Together, they propel the company towards new horizons and enduring success. Year after year, Parle has expanded, cementing strategic alliances to offer innovative solutions to industries globally. Welcome to Parle Global Technologies Private Limited, a 50-year-old company with a vision to providing one-roof solution for healthcare. Parle Global Technologies has been providing engineering solutions across diverse industries including pharmaceutical, food and beverages, cosmetics, personal care, home care, and more. Boasting the largest manufacturing facility in Asia, we stand as global pioneers and an acclaimed authority in tooling and tableting. Our extensive product range spans granulation, tableting, encapsulation, packaging, tablet printing, tube filling, and liquid filling. At Parle, we innovate solutions that redefine efficiency and elevate quality standards in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Our commitment to unmatched quality and relentless innovation positions us as industry leaders, delivering top-notch products with prompt service. With manufacturing units strategically positioned located in Maharashtra and Gujarat, Parle Global ensures proximity to our valued customers, facilitating swift and efficient service delivery. Parle Tableting Technologies Private Limited, where innovation meets reliability, shaping the future of pharmaceutical manufacturing, one solution at a time. Parle Tableting Technologies Private Limited, the tableting division of Parle Global Technologies. With the largest tooling manufacturing capacity in the world, Parle Tableting Technologies has evolved from Parle Elizabeth Tools Private Limited, an Indo-American joint venture. Since 2012, we've been manufacturing tablet presses under renowned brands like Elite Press, EcoPress, Hada Press, Highton, and WIP. But we don't stop there. From tooling, tool care, blister change parts, press parts to accessories, we provide comprehensive solutions for your tableting needs. Certified by TUV-SUD South Asia, we ensure the highest standards of quality and reliability. Let's delve into the realm of Parle Fruin Machinery, a convergence of Japanese technology and Indian ingenuity. Formed in 2018 through a partnership between Fruin Corporation, Japan, and Parle Global Technologies, India. Parle Fruin takes immense pride in unveiling its array of dry granulation systems, setting unprecedented benchmarks in the industry. Our distinctive design philosophy guarantees not just exceptional performance, but also exceptional returns on investment. Parle Fruin Machinery, spearheading industry revolution with innovation and dependability. Passifab Technologies, your go-to destination for encapsulation excellence. A strategic investment powered by Parle Global Technologies and Fab Life process since 2018. Passifab Technologies specializes in manufacturing capsule filling and ancillary machines, enriching the Parle Global portfolio with a vital product line. With over 300 installations worldwide, Passifab brings a wealth of knowledge and expertise to the table. Passifab Technologies, where innovation meets encapsulation perfection. Parle Global Technologies is your packaging partner for bulk counting and filling lines. Modular lines comprising of unscrambler with airjet cleaning, counter, desiccant insertion, cotton inserter, capping, induction sealing, and labeling. End-of-line cartoning machines in semi-automatic vertical and automatic horizontal versions. Innovative pad printing technology for printing on tablets with option for online camera inspection. In 2013, Parle Global Technologies and Kovai Machineries joined forces to create a partnership for manufacture of tube filling and sealing machines. Tube Fill by Parle Global Technologies, your ultimate solution provider for semi-solid packaging. Our constant innovations and customer interactions have made us the go-to choice for tube filling, container filling, and customized solutions for semi-solids. With over 500 tube fillers and integrated systems, We cater to a wide range of industries, from pharmaceuticals to processed foods. Prismtech Packaging Solutions. A member of Parle Group, specializes in packaging liquids and semi-solids in rigid containers. We offer complete filling and sealing lines for varied industries like pharma, food and beverages, cosmetics, personal care, home care, and industrial applications. Parle Global Technologies offers latest technologies and solutions across the world. Fruin Corporation, Japan, for granulation and coating solution. Viswil Company, Japan, automatic tablet visual inspection system. Hitachi, Japan, ampoule, vial, and syringe inspection system. Cube Gel, South Korea, soft gel encapsulation. Cefa, United Kingdom, leak testing and blister packing. Sachet Packaging Solutions by Young Techpack, South Korea. Young Techpack is a leading expert in sachet packaging, backed by over 40 years of industry experience. Their extensive expertise has enabled us to develop cutting-edge technologies complemented by exceptional customer service. Parle Worldwide Foundation, the CSR arm of Parle Global, is committed to care and compassion, donating ambulances, planting trees, feeding animals, and nourishing those in need. From supporting night school students to empowering the differently abled, we are making a real difference, one initiative at a time. At Parle, we don't just offer products. We provide solutions available around the clock to surpass your expectations. Our products are present in over 90 countries, reaching every corner of the globe. Backed with over 1,500 employees located at 5 factory locations and 10 branch offices across India. Each office hosts specialized sales and service teams, ensuring 24/7 customer support to meet industry needs wherever you are. Together, we're crafting the industries of tomorrow with unwavering dedication and unmatched expertise. Join us in sculpting a brighter tomorrow. Parle Global Technologies, where possibilities are boundless.